Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our 11th chapter of EVS Name, Nations, Pride. In this chapter we are going to learn about freedom fighters. Most importantly, freedom fighters inspired and motivated others to fight injustice. They are the pillars behind the freedom movement. They made people aware of their rights and their power. It is all because of the freedom fighters that we prospered into a free country free from any kind of colonizers or injustice. These all are the some important freedom fighters. Asaf Ali, birth 1888 and death 1953. Rani of Jhansi, birth 1828 and death 1858. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, birth 1869 and death 1948. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, birth 1875 and death 1950. Now let's start our chapter. Valsa and Ayushi were watching TV. Just then Kedul and Hani came back from the temple with grandma. Grandma asked Valsa and Ayushi, "What are you watching in the TV? Do you know about him?" Valsa, "Yes, this is about Fearless Azad." Grandma, Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar. Since childhood, he was brave. He sacrificed for the freedom of the country. Kedul and Hani, you also watch this film. Afterwards, I shall tell you the story of one such fearless child. And who were watching the TV? Valsa and Ayushi. Then who came there? Kedul and Hani. With who? With her grandma. And grandma asked Valsa and Ayushi, what are they watching in the TV? Then they thought they are watching Fearless Azad film. Then grandma told Fearless Azad's name was Chandrasekhar. Since childhood he was very brave and he sacrificed for the freedom of the country. Children, do you know who is Chandrasekhar Azad? This is Chandrasekhar Azad. A few facts about him are as follows. He was born Chandrasekhar Tiwari but changed his name to Chandrasekhar Azad with Azad standing for the free. When Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement in December 1921, Chandrasekhar Azad, who was then 15 and still studying, joined the movement. Revolutionary and an extremist freedom fighter who shook the regime of the British rule in India. He used to put Azad in his name so that he could give a message to the world that he was born free. He is free and will be free forever. He introduced the guerrilla warfare against the Britishers. That is why he was in the hit list of the British government, either to catch him alive or put him to death. Although Chandrasekhar Azad lived for just 25 years, in this short period he became an idol for every person and gave new life to the freedom struggle of India. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. What do you see in the first picture? In the first picture, the railway track is broken and the boy is looking at it. He is standing there with a bag on his shoulder. What is the child doing in the second picture? In the second picture, the child keeps his bag aside and is flagging his shirt to signal the train driver to stop the train. Why has the train stood still in the second picture? The driver of the train saw that the boy waved his shirt towards the train. The driver thought that it must be some danger signal and hence he stopped the train. Why is the guard congratulating the child? The boy stopped the train and hence a big accident was prevented. So the guard congratulating the child. What would you do if you were in the place of that child? If I were there in the place of that child, I would have done the same. Discussion. Place of event. Punjab. Not on the event. 1 year baby fell into the river from 30 feet high bridge. When 20 years boy saw this while returning from the college, he jumped into the river and saved the baby's life. Second, place of event. Talwadi village. Memorable characters of the event. Karan, Sonu's father and a cow. Not on the event. One day heavy rain in the village. The water was overflowing. Sonu's hut situated near the pond. The water reached the hut and was flowing. Sonu's father and cow were about drowned. These two boys jumped into river and saved them. Not about the event. Two courageous youngsters saved Sonu's father and a cow. Learn about the historical event that occurred around you. In those events, there must be talk about martyrs too. Then who is a martyr? A martyr is one who dies for the pride of his village, city or country. Martyr. Poonam Chand Pandya. Martyrs Day is also known as Sarvodaya Day or Shahid Divas, marks the assassination of the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi led India's struggle for independence that confided in India's freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. Grandma, I shall tell you about the martyrs Poonam Chand Pandya. It was the time when the Britishers were ruling in Meghraj village of Sabarkanda district, where every year the festival of Holi was celebrated with great fervour. Here the British had a bad law. The British official would make a statue named Laji, which would be the man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put up in the village centre. It was made compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. This is the story about Poonam Chand Pandya. It was the time when the Britishers ruling in the Meghraj village. It is in Sabarkanda district. Every year the festival of Holi was celebrated there. Then their Britishers had a bad law. The British officials would make a statue. This name was Laji, which would be the man not wearing any clothes. The statue would be put in the village center, and it was very compulsory for the villagers to move around the statue on the day of Holi. Once the youth of the villages got together, they were brought together by a young man called Poonam Chand Pandya. The British officials got the statue made and went away. At night, Poonam Chand and his friends broke the statue. Who all broke the statue? Poonam Chand and his friends. Next day, when everybody came there to follow the rule by the Britishers, there was no statue. When the officials inquired, Poonam Chand Pandya accepted his offence. The court ran the case. Poonam Chand was sentenced. The law of Britishers' slavery was removed. Poonam Chand took part in the fight of non-cooperation against foreign government. In order to free the country, Poonam Chand went to the jail several times. To remember this patriot, his statue is there in Sri PCN High School even today. To keep his name immortal, a road in the city also named Freedom Fighter Poonam Chand Pandya Road. Martyr's name, Poonam Chand Jaishankar Pandya. Is there any statue in his name? Sri PCN High School. Various events of the life of the martyr. When Britishers were ruling in Meghraj village, they made a statue named Laji. Poonam Chand and his friends broke the statue. Even too, Poonam Chand took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government in order to free the country. How did become a martyr? In order to free the country, Poonamchand went to the jail several times. He took part in the fight of non-cooperation against the foreign government. If your friend suddenly suffers from nausea, I will make him drink syrup made by mixing lemon juice, water and sugar. I will make him rest in an airy place. I will loosen his clothes and when he become conscious, I take him a hospital. This is the picture of nausea. If an epidemic strike your village, first of all, I will inform to the nearest government hospital or primary health care. I will drink boiled water. Follow doctor's advice. If there is a theft at your neighbor's home, first of all, I will inform the nearest police station. I will get the list of stolen items prepared in the presence of police. I will cooperate to the police proceedings. I will give moral support to the neighbor. These all are the pictures of our patriots. Chandrasekhar Azad, Shyamji Krishnavarma, Ram Prasad Bismil, Bhagat Singh. Various honors for bravery works children up to 16 years of age. National Bravery Award since 1957. Sanjay Chopra Award since 1978. Geeta Chopra Award since 1978. Bharat Award since 1987. Bapu Gaidani Award since 19. In this chapter we learned about freedom fighters. Then what do we learn from the freedom fighters? Determination and perseverance has been the core of our principles in guiding us. A very important learning from the freedom struggle has been the teaching of Mahatma Gandhi's on Ahimsa. India during its freedom struggle have proved that biggest challenges could be overcome by following the principles of Ahimsa. Thank you.